My name is Nicholas Coops and I'm a faculty member here at UBC in the Faculty of Forestry and a Canada Chair in Remote Sensing, which is the technology of looking at forests from a distance, allowing us to understand the growth and structure of our forests using satellite, airborne and drone imagery. We use a variety of remote sensing technologies in the lab. One key technology is LiDAR, which we send laser pulses from the aeroplane or the drone down to the ground, which allows us to map the three-dimensional structure as all those laser beams get reflected back to the sensor. We are using drones more and more. They're a fantastic technology to collect fine-scale images. I can see branches. In fact, we're doing work in my research lab where we actually model the leaves on the branches to understand the branching structure of key species in British Columbia. We also use satellites that have long records, and by linking into that satellite archive, I can see how land cover is changing. For example, the impact of forestry, fire, oil and gas exploration, and how that impacts the forests of Canada at a very broad scale. By looking at the forests of Canada with all of these different technologies, we can provide solutions, for example, to understanding the carbon balance and how much carbon our forests absorb. We can look at things like species at risk and the habitat that they want. And then we can also use our urban areas to understand the canopy cover of our urban cities, which helps with cooling. We also do research and theory in terms of the properties of leaves that we look at. Leaves have lots of internal structure, and so by looking at the light and what colour these leaves are, we actually can work out what they're made of and how well they're functioning. I'm really grateful for the Killam Award for two main reasons. One, it highlights the research that goes on in my research lab, which is made of graduate students both from Canada and internationally. So I really hope this will help attract more high-quality graduate students to Canada. Secondly, it also emphasises the importance of remote sensing as a technology that we can use to understand Canada's forests.